Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's going to be a really short, sharp, easy little review about two of my favourite setting sprays for ensuring that your makeup stays in place all day long. I think there's nothing worse than doing your makeup really well and then it's sliding within a couple of hours. Just like you would prepare your skin and prime it and put all the different layers on it. Yes, putting powder on, like I love using the Laura Mercier powder. This is the translucent setting powder, which makes your makeup last hours and hours and hours. And I think it even claims like 12 hours. I may be wrong, it may be more. But the powder isn't going to do enough. The powder will help to lock in the makeup and take down any unwanted shine. But what the setting sprays are going to do is they are going to hold your face in place. Now, I know back in years gone by, loads of people used to use hairspray and spray your face with hairspray. That is a no-no, guys. There are a lot of chemicals that go into hairspray for obvious reasons to keep your hair in place. And also it gives a really sticky residue to your skin and you just don't know what's going to happen. You can end up breaking out as well. So I do not advise hairspray. These are my two favourite ones. Which is the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. So this is makeup setting spray, long lasting, up to 16 hours wear, lightweight, temperature control technology. And it comes in a much bigger bottle than this as well if you like to use it every day. It is fantastic. I've been doing makeup for over 10 years and I use this every single time I do a makeover. Sometimes I use this one as well. Depends what mood I'm in. Depends what the skin type is like. They also do a few other different types of setting spray, Urban Decay. They do one called De-Slick, and that is for you if you suffer from severely oily skin. It really helps to knock back that oil control and ensure that those oils don't come out as the day goes on. So you've got the All Nighter and you've also got the De-Slick by Urban Decay. The other one, which is one of my newest purchases in the last year over lockdown, is the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. This primes and sets your makeup for up to 16 hours. So what you can do is once you've done your makeup, you can spray your face with that first if you want to. It locks your look in for makeup magic that look, can't even talk. It instantly locks in your look for makeup magic that looks just applied. So like I was discussing in my face mist video, if you have a little look in the link below, I'll link that so you can watch it. When you want to refreshen your makeup, you want to mist your makeup, and this works really well to do that. It's not just a setting spray. So the other thing I like about this, it says party all day and stay all, party all night and stay all day. There we go, I've got to say it the right way. It smells amazing, and I'm just going to pop that over my face. I find once you put this product on your skin, now I've been misting my face for the last 15 minutes, so I have a million layers on here, but I find when I'm doing a makeup on a bride or anyone who's sitting in my chair, that once I've misted with the Charlotte Tilbury, the skin looks unbelievable. It just like, it's called the Airbrush Flawless because it just blurs everything away, and it really does. It does give a different finish to the All Nighter. This gives more of a glow. So, I mean, I'm looking particularly glossy right now, guys, because I have 400,000 layers of setting spray and glow on, just to show you. Aren't I nice? But anyway, those are my two favourites. Make sure you go and buy the right one that suits you, and I hope that this has been a useful video and a bit of a game changer for those of you who may not know about setting sprays. And I just get little ones as well, because they're great to keep in your handbag, right? Just to refreshen your makeup if you haven't got your face mist with you. Guys, enjoy the rest of your day, mist away, set your face, look fabulous all day and all night, and I will see you very soon. Bye.